Dumbbell Plank Row, 25 repetitions. Start position. Start in plank position with each hand resting on a dumbbell. Make sure that your arms are completely straight with your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your palms facing each other. Males will use 10-pound dumbbells and females will use 5-pound dumbbells. First, keeping your abs tight and elbows close to your body, row one dumbbell off the floor, pulling your elbow up until the triceps are parallel to the floor, while you squeeze your shoulder blade back. Second, slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position and repeat with the opposite hand. Finish position. Plank position with hands resting on each dumbbell. Trainer's tips. Do not allow your back to round. Make sure to keep your hips, head, and heels in one straight line. Do not allow your torso to rotate to one side or the other as you row the dumbbell up. No repetition. Not completing a full row and or not maintaining a plank position while performing the row.